Good morning, my name is Nandi. Welcome to day 22, and the topic of today says how to create that dashboard. This is the data set we are going to be working with, and in this data set is a bike sales. We'll be figuring out between male and female who purchase more of the bikes. Okay, so and the first thing we need to do is to create a pivot table where we will analyze our chart. Okay, this sheet here is where we are going to create the pivot table draft and the chart that will enable us in this journey. Okay, so from our worksheet here we get the data we need. Let's create the pivot table. First click on insert, top, see pivot table. There you click, option comes, click on worksheet, highlight all the data there, then you click on OK. So we are set for our first pivot table. Excuse me. So what we do now is to, since it's male and female will be our focus, then you drag this customer gender to your row. You can see we have male, female. Okay, then we drag our age to column. We have young adults and yours, then we drag customers age. So you can see there we have our pivot table is set. So the next thing we need to do is to plot the graph. Okay, so in order to plot the graph, you do is click on insert, then click on there, choose the one. So we are going to use this one. So as you can see we have our graph displaying them, but we can format it further. Thereby you can add the title chart title. Okay, you choose which one that best suits you, that will at least explain to the audience what the graph is all about. Okay, so after that, another option I choose was data table. Here we enable you to explain more about the graph. Okay, if you look at it, you see we have adults, young adults, and all of them. The adult is on blue, while young is on orange color and youth is on ash color. Then but you look beneath now, you see where it's been explained that adult under female is 160, under male is 127. Then youth, there is no female that is youth, and for male is 40. Okay, so we need to create a second pivot table. Follow the same format: insert, pivot table, our worksheet, highlight all the data set that we are working with. Okay, when you highlight it, Control A, click OK, still go down, still follow our format, your customer gender. Okay, and we're looking at the country to know which country, as in the country that made more purchase between male and female. Okay, so we plot our graph. Just choose which one that best describes what you want to do. Okay, so this is our graph. You can also format it the same way we did the other one. Give it a title. You can decide to click the table data, any of those ones that best suits what you want to analyze. Okay, so it's less for you to know, and you should bear in mind it's not only this bar chart you can use any of those chart that pops up depending on what you are analyzing. Okay, so let's quickly do another pivot table, still using the same format like before. Okay, so we highlight, and okay. Then drag our customer agenda to the row. Now we want to look at the purchase, which the order, the quantity order, how the order was made. Okay, so this check the sub products. We have a mountain bike and road bike, so we need to find out which bike was sold more and which gender bought more. Okay, so plot the graph. So which one are we using? Yeah, let's use this one. Okay, so this, we are done with, let's assume we are done with our table. So we need to create a dashboard. So what we do, you click there, then you click on view, and these grind lines, that's this line that demarcates the cells. When you click on it, you have a plain background. Okay, so what you just need, just highlight it and go to your home, then you merge. Okay, when you merge, you can now give it a color of your choice, then you filter with, you edit, or you format, then you can name this dashboard, let's say bike sales. Okay, select for you to name it anything you want. Okay, then you choose font. Which font are we going to use? Okay, let's use Time Roman. Okay, so you choose it, then increase the font to your text. Okay, yeah, just format the font anyhow you want it so that it will look nice. So the next thing we do, just go back to our pivot table and copy those charts, those graph. Okay, then we copy it, we paste them here one by one. That's what we need to do, paste them one by one. Okay, so when you paste them, you are not designing your dashboard on how you want it to be, because this is where you display what you have done to your client, so that your client will know what exactly you are presenting to them, you have analyzed. Okay, so don't mind me just because of time. The major thing is for us to understand how these things are being done, so that on our own time you can practice more and perfect on it. Okay, so you copy this third one, and yeah, Ctrl V, paste. Okay, so we are good to go. And before, lest I forget, you can also do some filter on this graph. Okay, if you click on this, wait, let me come, I'm coming, sorry, just a minute. Okay, I think you are good to go. So when you click on this, the graph design, you can see that there are different design that pop up. How do you want your graph to be? Okay, you can decide to work on it, choose the one that you think that explains what you are doing more. Okay, let's just use this one so that our dashboard will look more presentable. Okay, so, and there is also what we call filter. Okay, sorry, slicer. Okay, what slicer does is that it helps the it helps you to communicate more to your audience. Okay, see it here. So this slicer now, what you need to do is, as it is, all the data that you worked with is being present here, like customer age, customer gender, age group, country, state, this product category, and other quality. These were what we use we used. Okay, and so since they are what we use to achieve this, when you click OK, it pops up. So what it actually does is that when you click on any one of them, okay, when you click on any one of them, it will okay, like I was trying to explain, Slicer is just a software, part of software built in Excel. Okay, we use it in Excel tables and pivot tables to display all the possible value that was selected, just like I was telling us. Okay, so it helps us. If you look at all these value that we selected here, you find out that there were the values that we used in order to create this pivot table that we make use of the chart. Okay, that's what Slicer is, and it also enhances data filtering. Okay, it makes the user interface easily for us. When we use it, it makes us it's easier for us to interpret this data, all these data sets that we have here. Okay, so that when the user sees it and clicks on any of them, it will help. Okay, so we have customer age. What it does is that if you click on this customer, okay, it will show you in the graph where the customer, how many customers, how many male or how many females that are present. Okay, so this is how to create your dashboard. By the time you arrange all these slicers on your this dashboard, then the you are good to go. Okay, and one thing I forget to tell us is that these slides are just like I explained. Okay, when you click on any of them, okay, what will show you on this particular draft that we have here will be what that part value the value will be indicated in this in draft. Okay, so this is how to create your dashboard, the basic actually. Okay, so I believe when you do more practice of this, it will help you to become a better person. We don't need this. Okay, so it will help you to become a better analytics, because what you are going to the way you are going to present it will definitely determine on the audience you have, the people you are presenting for, what they want to use the dashboard for. Okay, these are the things that you need to look at. Okay, and thank you, and have a lovely day.